And we're about to go live. It's preparing for the live stream.
Does did this
And
just come out?
and we are live. What was that? What just come out?
The streaming on YouTube.
No. Welcome. But there's no intro or anything. If people come in, they come in.
Yeah.
Well, welcome to CINN with Fausto and Anthony. We're trying to start this live stream thing, podcast, so let's see how it goes. All right, so what were you saying about Cardano?
Cardano's pumping up right now because of the news of it being going to Coinbase and other things. Right. And it's been on there's news coming out that when it releases, there's gonna be a whole bunch of dApps that are gonna switch from Ethereum to Cardano. But it's a lot of good news coming out for Cardano, and that's the reason for the pump. It doesn't matter if it works or not.
But I mean, I think most of the pump is from Coinbase. I think now that this news came out, now it makes sense why it's been going up the last couple of weeks. It's like I feel like there's insiders who already knew that this was happening.
But it's pumping up because it has a huge following. There's people that love the founder of Cardano.
But they've had a huge following for years.
Yeah.
And it was at 15 cents like 2-3 months ago.
It wasn't at 15 cents.
It was looking at me. I was looking at it. I was like, damn, 15 cents. 15 cents. And I was like, should I buy? And I never bought, and it went up.
Yeah, double. When I bought it was at 38 cents.
Exactly. And now it's at freaking what, $2?
It was like $1.30.
Yeah, $1.30. I'm telling you, all of a sudden it started going up. These people knew it was coming. They knew that the Coinbase listing was coming.
Either way, it's still gonna go. It's still gonna go up because a lot of people they're staking it. They trust the founder of Cardano.
Right.
So they and then it was the founder that said in that article that 100 companies are moving. So if he says that they're moving,
I mean, we'll see. You're saying that they're abandoning ship to something that's already tested and proven.
They did that with Binance.
To something that they don't know that who did it with Binance.
When Binance had that huge pump, it was because
Binance already had apps on there that copied the Ethereum ones.
But there were
nobody switched.
They switched from Ethereum.
Who?
What do you mean who? I don't know. They moved.
Nobody switched.
They switched.
No, they didn't. Binance had a whole bunch of people who copied people that's on the Ethereum.
But either way, they're Cardano and Polkadot are both working on coming in, and then and people are planning on switching from Ethereum to either Polkadot or Cardano.
I don't believe it. Because you have if I'm a company, right, and I'm on a platform that I've been on for years, that I know that it's been tested and proven, I'm gonna go over here to somewhere else that I don't know if it's gonna get messed up. I don't know what's gonna happen.
No, it's not switching without any form of communication. They're talking to the people. They understand the system, and if they the what it comes down to, and it always comes down to this, is price. The price of if Ethereum doesn't find a way to lower their gas fees,
right?
They're gonna switch. They're gonna go to.
So there's already.
They're gonna first talk to Cardano or whatever platform that they're gonna communicate, and then what they're gonna tell them is that you could switch over, and your gas fees are gonna be a lot lower. This is why.
They're gonna be lower. Why? Because they're gonna have a lot less people. The minute if they have too many people go to Cardano, they're gonna have the same issue. Cardano has not fixed the problem with the blockchain. The
that's
congestion.
what they're working on. That's
but they haven't. Polkadot, Cardano, Ethereum, none of them have fixed that problem.
But that's the thing. If they fix that problem, they're gonna switch over in a heartbeat.
Right, but they haven't.
Yeah, but that's what they're working on.
That's what Ethereum is working on too.
When they implement the smart, yeah. So it's a race right now to who's gonna do it first.
So why would I switch from one to another if they have the same issues? That's what I'm trying to say. You know what I'm saying?
But in the article, it said that the founder said that 100 companies are. That's his information. Why would he lie?
Because he wants people to buy it. I don't know. But there is news of Ethereum. Ethereum is making some changes and all that to make it better before even ETH 2. So they have news as well. So why would people leave? You see what I'm saying? Like it's not adding up to me. All right. Like Ethereum got like 2 or 3 different things that they're working on right now that's going to be implemented by the summer. That's gonna increase throughput and lower gas fees.
Let's see if it happens.
Yeah, let's see. Mean, the way I'm looking at Cardano, like I'm not saying Cardano is bad, but I feel like it's being pumped, and I don't want to buy into it, and then it gets dumped. I don't feel like, you know what I'm saying.
I don't think it's gonna get dumped. I feel like they. But the thing is I don't really care because I'm invested in all 3 of the major.
Right.
I don't care who,
but
what went out anyway.
Yeah. One good thing that I heard, I don't know if it's true. They said like 90% of the people that are holding it are staking it.
Yeah,
but I don't see where you can stake it. I haven't seen nowhere where I can stake Cardano.
Well, I found if you join their Reddit page, they teach you how to stake it.
Okay, so
it's not through an exchange. You gotta.
Okay.
I forgot. You have to use something. I forgot, but there's a way to stake it.
Right. Okay.
But that's how Polkadot. They're like the master of staking. That's how they kept their.
Yeah, Polkadot stays that man. It stays strong, man. Like it don't drop past that. Like it won't go past. I want to say so far, like the highest has been 42. And the lowest is drop is like
35,
and it just won't go. It won't go past that at all. And it's because it's state. Like all mine is a state. I can't even touch it. And then the thing about the staking with Polkadot is right. Once you stake it, and let's say you want it back, the redemption time is 28 days. So you don't even want to. You're like, nah, I'm just gonna leave it there. Like,
right.
It don't make sense. Like you're gonna take it out. It takes a whole month, and you won't see it. You know what I mean? So that takes me to BTC right now, man. BTC, man, that thing just flipped the script on me. It was at 54. Like I'm looking at it, like it's at 54, and then I'm messing with something, and then I get like a message on my phone to get BTC is moving. I'm like, oh, okay, what is it? It's probably going lower, right? And it's like 58. I'm like, what the heck? Just like that.
Well, I bought in at 54.
Just shut up, man.
So
I mean, I bought mine at low too, but I had some more money coming in that I'm waiting for.
I mean, it could
drop. I was going up.
It could drop to, but I feel like everyone, because today a lot of people are getting their stimulus checks, so I think that's.
Do you think it's going up?
Yeah, but tomorrow, like the F2 pool stuff could happen over the weekend, and they just start selling.
Right.
So anyone who recently invested in Bitcoin and they don't know anything about it,
right,
it could scare them out.
Bueno. I don't know what to tell you, bro.
But even if they do that, it's not gonna drop. I mean, it could drop down to 46. If it drops down for 4, I don't even think. Do you think it's possible?
What?
To drop down to 46? What is to
drop down to 46, right? From now, but from right now, nah, man. Like that's a long way down. Like now, let me see. Let me look at it. So BTC right now, whew,
Was
for
that
it to go.
59 now?
Nah, man. OG 59, mother blood. I can't even buy it if I want to right now.
Yeah, it's
It's
pumping off.
it's it's just it's pumping too much. I needed to retrace a little bit before I buy it. Damn, man. See, I was waiting for that thing to deposit, bro, and that thing, I don't want to buy it at that price, bro. Nope. But then again, like when it like it will average out with the amount that I already bought.
All right, if you think of
It
it that
it
way.
will raise my average to like 56 or something. You know what I mean?
Just buy when it's dipping.
Yeah, I'll buy it when it's dip. But the question is it gonna dip? Hopefully, it bounces off that previous all time high and comes back down.
Yeah, there's gonna be resistance.
Yeah, hopefully it does
That's
that.
what's
That's what?
uh, but Ethereum is just hovering around 1800.
Yeah, Ethereum is it's gonna go up. A Chainlink is gonna go up in a not so. I heard what was that? What was the news that I heard about Chainlink? I heard something good about Chainlink. So it was added to a trust. What's the big trust that has?
Grayscale?
Yeah, it was added to Grayscale. They added more coins to their trust, and Chainlink was one of them. So
They're
that's good
just
news.
they're just buying up everything.
I was hoping they put Polkadot in there, but
They
it seemed
have
like
that.
they already do.
When they started investing in altcoins, that was one of them. Dot.
Yeah, good. Yeah, so they just added Chainlink. So Chainlink is another one. I'm keeping it in Voyager now because that Voyager is giving you 5%. That's the highest I've seen for Chainlink. I think BlockFi too gives you some more. Because I was about to move it to BlockFi, but Voyager give you 5.5%. I'm keeping it right there. Polkadot.
But Voyager is pretty. They're good at with their marketing because I think I forgot. I saw something that about the Cardano going to Coinbase, and they were like,
Right.
well, we got it, and Coinbase is not gonna give you any
No
interest.
interest.
Yeah, and we're giving you. Well, what do they give? Like
For Cardano,
five
I don't know.
card. Wait.
Wait, do they give you interest for Cardano?
Yeah, but you need like 1,000, which is if they take away the minimum, it'll go. It'll unleash the everything. Everybody will freaking.
Yeah. They're like, yo, we give you interest. I mean, they're giving you 6.5 on BTC alone. So I'm like, just with that alone, I'm like, whoop, I'm not moving my Bitcoin from here.
5.25
For Cardano?
Cardano, yeah, but you need 1,000.
Yeah, but you think
That's
people
$1,000.
people are not buying a little bit of that?
Yeah, for dot is 8%.
Yeah, polka dot, baby. Yes. See, I was about to move it because I'm like, man, I could be getting more over here, but
They
eight
put a
percent is off the chain.
They put a
Huh?
button here saying like for crypto interest, it says I want to opt out.
Yeah, I saw that. I'm like, who wants to opt out? Unless, why would they say that?
As a fail safe or something for what the
No,
fuck
like
is going
how
on.
are they giving you interest? Are they lending it out?
I don't care.
But they
As
don't
long
have a lending platform though. Like they don't have a lending part to it. BlockFi does. You know what I mean?
right.
So what other news I saw? So yeah, it's looking more and more like there's really not that many Bitcoin left.
You always say that. Like what
I'm looking at
you
it's the
make
news. It's
you're
the
making
news that
this
I'm watching, bro.
you're making this your worst enemy.
No, I'm just giving you. I'm giving people a heads up, bro. The new Bitcoin that's coming out is already. We're not seeing that. The public is not seeing that
No.
because you have like 4 companies that's buying it, and then they're talking about like the mining pools and all that. They're talking about incorporating and then just keeping the Bitcoin, not selling it at all once they mine it.
Right.
So, and then I was looking at something. Let me share this. Let me share this because this is interesting. Hold up. Let me pull up the picture. Do I still have it on there? I closed it. All right. Let me pull up the. Original. All right, let me share this real quick. I want to share Safari. Share. Check this out, yo. You seen this chart before? So this is the chart that shows the cycle of Bitcoin. All right. So this is like this. So this is every box is a year, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the first box is the halving when Bitcoin cuts the miners what miners can mine in half, right?
Mm-hmm.
And then the next phase after that is parabolic. Like the Bitcoin goes crazy. Like the year after the halving, Bitcoin goes crazy up. And then the year after that, it corrects. And then there's the accumulation phase. And then there's a continuation phase. So it's a 4-year cycle, pretty
Right.
much, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the last, let me see, the last halving was last year. So last year was the year of the halving, right? So we missed the correction phase and the accumulation phase. So we're entering right now. We just entered the parabolic phase. So we're like at the bottom of the parabolic phase. Now, if you look back here, look at the parabolics, right? Parabolics are crazy up. Then another parabolic. So it goes crazy on the parabolic. That's where we're at now. So really, we're just at the beginning. It could possibly go to like 150, 200 because of that. And then after that, that's this year. And then the year after that, it's going to go through a correction. So with that knowledge, right? If we go through a parabolic phase this year, right? So we we get a lot of gains. And then we know that next year should be like a correction. We could just chill. Are you there? Yep. Where did he go? And we lost him. But yeah, so like I was saying, we can just chill. Let me share the screen again. So yeah, we could just chill during the correction, maybe by a little bit, but not as aggressive as before. And then on the accumulation phase, that's where we can go aggressive. So we have, let me see, for parabolic 1, 2, 3. If there's any Bitcoin left by then, you know what I mean? So, and we lost Jason. I mean, Jesus. Anthony, I mean. Uh, So all right, so we lost Anthony. So hope you enjoyed that stream. What we talked about. If you want to hear more from CINN Crypto, just hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment. So let us know what you want us to talk